Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this down channel and also this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. So far, price line is not able to break out this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this daily time frame chart. And here we have been following this long-term down channel. It was entered the channel here on 4th of March, and we had several rejections by this resistance of the channel, and we also had few touch points at the support as well, and we were testing the resistance more than the support. That was another signal that we can soon break out the resistance of the channel. And here we have broken out the resistance on 24th of June 2022, and after breaking out, we retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and again rallied. And so far we are not able to break out this next resistance of 66 cents. And now we are again testing this support of 54 cents. And if Polygon breaks down this support, then our next support will be here at 42 cents. And you can see that the previous resistance of the channel is almost at the same level where we have the next support of 42 cents. Therefore, it is now it will work as a very strong support. By the way, here it also worked as a nice support when we had this drop, and then we broke out the next resistance. Now let's take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this is, by the way, same daily time frame chart. And here I have removed all the trend lines, and we can see that MATIC token has formed a very nicely inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here it formed the left shoulder, this is the head, and here we have completed the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And recently, once again, it is rejected by this resistance of the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. By the way, if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, let me place this trend line first here. This is the neckline, and our target after this breakout can be, for example, if we will break it out from here, then our target will be approximately at 90 cents. And at the same time, if we take a look at more closer look at this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then here we also have, after this rejection, we also have another formation of a cup and handle, very nice round shaped cup, and a handle of the cup. You can see here we have a very nice round body of the cup, and here we have the handle of this cup. And if I place the Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, where we have the neckline of this cup and handle, then you can see it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So unless it will be not retraced more than this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement or break down this level, this is a valid cup and handle. And for example, if we take a look at the target for this inverse for this cup and handle, and the neckline is the same, the resistance is the same, where we have the neckline of inverse head and shoulder pattern. The target for the cup and handle will be approximately at 80 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.